What's up, everybody? It's Monday morning. It's time to hopefully go home and do some welding, get some stuff done there at the house. I just dropped off all the kids. It was quite a hectic morning. It was a little crazy. I woke up at 8:15, which is when we actually needed to leave the house to drop off Caleb to camp on the other side of town. But we made it in time. Yeah, so hopefully I can get home, do some welding. Really didn't do much this weekend, but just hang out with the kids and the fam since they've been gone for 10 days. Back home, sunny skies everywhere else. Over my house, dark and stormy. Arr. I got the kids out to camp this morning and daycare. Now it's time to do some project here. I'm finishing up this little light project that I have. I made this a while ago for the wife, and now I'm going to wire it up and hook her up in the kitchen. See you guys in a bit.
Last night we received some very disturbing news. A member of our Instagram welding community, Tiffany, also known as Shopgirl VonOrff, lost her home and 2 family pets in a house fire. She is basically starting from scratch. That is a loss that is really hard to comprehend and really hard to relate to, but I can imagine it's a dark, dark place. So, as a community, as a strong community, we should rally to try to help her. There's a link in the TIG unit bio for the GoFundMe campaign. If right now you're not in a position to donate to the GoFundMe, just spread the word, share the post. That's what this is all about. That's what makes the welding community here on Instagram good, is that we take care of each other.
What's up, everybody? It's Wednesday, kid-free, 9 o'clock in the morning. I want to do some welding and get some things done like that, but it's all raining out. How's everyone doing? Hopefully good. Today is Thursday. It's the wife's birthday today. And today I'm going to try to finish a little present that I'm making for her before she comes back. She's actually taking Caleb to summer camp right now. She's actually doing carpool this morning. And then she's going shopping a little bit. It's like taking time. We can actually finish this project. Let me show you guys what I'm making. So this is what I'm making for the wife. It's going to be a wine time. That's actually the clock piece there. Yeah, it's gonna be wine time. Hashtag wine time. Yeah, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna make that real quick for her. See if I can make it real fast. Get it done. I just finished up making this birthday present for the wife. Let me show you guys what I made. Let's see. Check it out. Alrighty, so I welded up this chain here and a little bit and made a little wine time. Hashtag wine time. What's up, y'all? It is Saturday and we're going out on the water again. I'm gonna take the family. This time I'm gonna take Caleb and the wife. We're gonna go out in the water. We're gonna do some boating today. We're gonna go do some rafting, actually. Boating, same thing. But yeah, section 9 again. I'm gonna take these guys out. Let's do it. Let's have fun, guys. We'll see you there. All right, we're out here, out in section 9. This time, we got Webster back there with the big boat. Just gonna get that thing set up, get that blown up. Yeah. Get out in the water. We got the Webster family. Hello. Yeah. We're out here at a jump rock this time. We didn't do that last time I came out to paddle. But we're out here at Jump Rock. Amber's about to jump off. So let me switch this camera the other way. You can see her jump off. We're out here at Jump Rock. Amber's gonna do it. We're gonna see her jump off this rock in just a second. Out in French Broad, out in Section 9, Marshall, North Carolina. buddy. Here are the little kids doing it now. Woo! Yeah! Nice job, buddy! Jump to mama!
Yeah, you did it!
Chilling up here. There's actually a couple of trips coming behind me. Got a little wet, so shirt's drying over there. Have a nice little vegan sandwich. We're watching all these people float down the river. Beautiful day out today, it's awesome. Very grateful for Mr. Chris over here to take me out. Beautiful day. Peace, y'all. Just finished a nice day on the water. Time to go pack up and get everything set so we can go home. Peace, y'all.